Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a page in PDF file. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, as you can see here, I have this PDF where I have 3 pages. Okay, let's say, for example, I'm going to delete the 2, this one. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then type down ilovepdf.com/remove-pages. Okay, again, ilovepdf.com/remove-pages. So just click on it or hit on enter on your keyboard. Now what you're going to do next is just go ahead and click on select a PDF. Okay, select the PDF, hit on open. Now just basically select the PDF pages that you wanted to delete. Okay, just like what I said earlier, I wanted to delete page 2 and 3. And just click on remove pages right here. Now go ahead and download it. Okay, as easy as that. Now I'm going to save this one. Now it says here the name of the file and then edit removed. Okay, just click on save. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, only the page 1 is left. 2 and 3 is gone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.